Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay LRT using an e-wallet. We'll cover which e-wallets are accepted, the simple steps for payment, and helpful tips for a smooth journey. This guide ensures you can quickly and efficiently use your digital wallet for public transport. Get ready to streamline your commute with these easy-to-follow instructions, making your travel hassle-free and modern. Before you tap and go, it's crucial to know which e-wallets are accepted at your local LRT stations. Most systems support popular options, but always double-check. Make sure your chosen e-wallet has enough funds to cover your fare, perhaps a minimum of 50 pesos, to avoid any delays. Familiarize yourself with where the e-wallet payment terminals are located within the station. Paying with your e-wallet is straightforward. First, open your preferred e-wallet application on your smartphone. Look for the designated QR code scanner at the LRT payment gate. Simply scan the code, and the fare amount will typically appear for your review. Confirm the transaction within your app, and once authorized, the gate will open, allowing you to proceed. For the smoothest experience, always ensure your phone is well charged before heading to the LRT. It's also wise to carry a backup payment method, like a physical card or some cash, in case of any technical glitches. After your payment, quickly check your e-wallet's transaction history to confirm the successful deduction. This ensures peace of mind and a hassle-free journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.